Have you ever wondered why some people achieve extraordinary success, while others seem stuck in mediocrity? The secret might just lie in the 10x rule, a concept brilliantly explained by Grant Cardone in his book of the same name. In the realm of personal development and success literature, few ideas have been as transformative as the 10x rule. Its central premise is deceptively simple. Whatever you're setting out to do, multiply your effort and goal by 10. It's not about working harder, it's about thinking bigger. Cardone argues that most people fail not because they lack ambition or talent, but because they underestimate the amount of work required to reach their goals. The 10x rule confronts this issue head-on. It encourages you to ramp up your expectations and your actions to levels that might initially seem outrageous. But as you'll discover, outrageous is often exactly what's needed to break through barriers and achieve the extraordinary. One of the most compelling aspects of the 10x rule is its universal applicability. Whether you're an entrepreneur aiming to build a billion-dollar company, an artist striving to create a masterpiece, or a student trying to ace an exam, the 10x rule can provide the roadmap to your success. It's not about specific tactics or strategies, rather it's a mindset, an attitude, a way of approaching the world that can transform ordinary efforts into extraordinary results. In the book, Cardone also warns against the dangers of average thinking. He argues that settling for average results in any area of life is a form of self-sabotage. The 10x rule challenges you to reject mediocrity, to aim high and to refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. However, embracing the 10x rule is not without its challenges. It requires a commitment to relentless action, a willingness to step outside your comfort zone, and a fierce determination to overcome any obstacles that stand in your way. But as Cardone argues, the rewards of living by the 10x rule far outweigh the challenges. It's about creating a life of abundance, fulfillment, and extraordinary success. The 10x rule is not just a book, it's a call to action. It's an invitation to step up, to think bigger, to act bolder, and to become the best version of yourself. So, if you're ready to take your life to the next level, to shatter your limitations, and to achieve the extraordinary, delve into the wisdom of the 10x rule. It's a journey that requires courage, tenacity, and an unwavering belief in your potential. But as those who have embraced the 10x rule can attest, it's a journey well worth taking. In conclusion, the 10x rule isn't just a concept, it's a lifestyle. It's a commitment to think bigger, act bolder, and achieve the extraordinary. It's a challenge to reject mediocrity and to strive for greatness. So go ahead and pick up a copy of the 10x rule. Because in life, as in success, you get out what you put in. And with the 10x rule, you'll be putting in a whole lot more.